So we're back down at the trailer again. We have a gentleman coming in with machinery to do road work. We are getting him to put in a culvert at the bottom of a hill up here that goes over to another piece of our property that we had cleared a couple of years ago. We have a fire pit and whatnot over there. But at the bottom of this hill, we can't get across because there's a stream. So we'd like to take our four-wheeler over there. So we're just clearing out some trees so that he can get down there and put a culvert in for us. So that's what our agenda is for today, to take down some trees and get that area cleared for him. I'll just take a walk down and show you where we're going to be putting that culvert. Hi, baby. So we've got this pretty much cleared out and ready for the gentleman to come work on this roadway. Down at the bottom is a spring, and that's where he's going to be putting a culvert in for us. And then we can get across with the four-wheeler. So here is where he's going to be putting a culvert in for us. So we're just going to make our way across to the other section that we had cleared previously and take down any trees that need to come down. So this is the section we cleared a few years ago and put a fire pit here. But we're trying to get the road cleared so we can bring the four-wheeler over. Beautiful spot overlooking the Bay of Fundy. Come, baby girl. Good girl. Let's go. Our trailer is all hooked up. We've had this trailer here for 8 years and it's never moved. We got a new trailer, so this one is just going down the road. So hopefully it moves okay after 8 years. So we were getting water damage in the bedroom wall of our old trailer, so we decided to open this wall up to see what we're dealing with, and then next time down we can make any necessary repairs to this. So we were pleasantly surprised when we took this apart that number one, there was no black mold, and that for the most part it's in pretty good shape. The wood is in pretty good shape except for a few soft spots. So happy with this, and it should be an easy fix.
That vapor barrier, that might be part of the problem too.
But I'm shocked that the insulation looks that good.
Yeah.
As long as the main wood is good.
Right there's soft. There. Rest is good. So between there and there. Oh, right there is soft. Yeah.
Expecting that.
But I'm wondering if that's not the problem. Is it?
Yeah.
It was always collecting water there.
Could be.